Here is an enhancement to CAMWorks 2016 that adds the ability to create a gun drilling operation for either a single hole or a series of holes. Gun drills are typically used for drilling deep, straight holes in a variety of materials. In this example, I have 4 holes that I want to drill using a gun drill. In preparation, I have pre-drilled the holes just slightly over the gun drill size, and now I am ready to create the gun drill operation. We'll begin by making a copy of the pilot hole drilling operation using Control Drag and Drop. I can then rename the operation to Gun Drill 1 and edit the operation. Now we'll go to the Toolkit tab and select the gun drill to be used for this operation. Next, I'll select the Drill Hole Parameters tab and select Gun Drilling for the operation type. Since my current post processor doesn't support gun drilling, I get this message, and it doesn't let me select gun drilling as the type. If you need to add this cycle to your post processor, please contact your CAMWorks reseller for assistance. I will now select a post processor that does support gun drilling and return to the operation parameters. Once gun drilling has been selected for the operation type, we can now enter the parameters for the operation. Here is how it works. Based on the settings in the NC tab, at the start of the hole, the tool starts at the rapid plane. Then it moves to the clearance plane. The spindle will be turned on at the pilot entry retract RPM or 200 RPM as it feeds to 20 inches a minute to the pilot hole depth, in this case 0.9 inches. At this point, it will dwell for 2 seconds as the spindle ramps up to the spindle speed set on the Feed and Speeds tab. The drill will then feed to depth at the feed rate specified on the Feeds and Speed tab. After reaching depth, the drill will retract to the feedback amount of 0.1 inches, where it will dwell for 1 second while the spindle ramps back down to 200 RPM. The tool then feeds to the retract plane at 50 inches per minute. There is an option to set this retract move to be a rapid move instead of a feed move. I can also set the spindle speed not to change until it hits the pilot hole depth on retract. With these settings set, I can click OK and generate my tool path. Thank you for watching this video on the gun drilling enhancement to CAMWorks 2016.